Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi A5. For that we will need the buttons for. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can just tap here on edit. And yeah, for the very first time, maybe if you tap on edit, he's asking you which editor you want to have, made a gallery or OneDrive or something else. Then choose the gallery. I think it's the best one here. And if you are then here, just crop here a part of the screenshot. What is very nice. So just tap here on crop. And what makes it pretty nice is then you can crop a part of the screenshot. What is very nice if you want to have a picture from a website or something like this. Then you just crop your picture out and have not the rest. Okay, so after, don't forget to tap on done and it will be part of your gallery. And a proper gallery, where are your screenshots? Of course at the gallery. So if we swipe up here at the app drawer, we will find here the gallery and here they are. So the photos, the screenshots are mixed with the photos and videos you have done with the camera. So this is why I always recommend to you to go to the folders here, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.